today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I am having it here in the title. Actually, I'm talking about the last hope for Bitcoin right now. If you watch the last videos, it is very important that you watch them. Please make sure you go down below and you press subscribe, press the bell and press on all, because what I want to talk about today is one last line, one last hope Bitcoin has before I'm going out and I'm quoting way lower price targets. Let's go straight into it. And this video is for everyone who is holding Bitcoin, who wants to trade Bitcoin, because there is one pattern in the Bitcoin charts which we have to take a very, very close look at. Now let's talk about this. Thank you so much for always smashing up the like button. Thank you so much for always watching until the very end. I truly appreciate it. And of course, for leaving thoughts in the comment section down below. Every type of engagement is highly appreciated, as it helps this video to be carried out to the world. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin. And let me actually go into it. What we can see here is nothing new, right? I mean, let me quickly go to the daily candles. I already talked about that a long time before. We were in this channel here, in this upward sloping channel, and we eventually, for the first time, broke it to the downside. Is that bullish? Obviously not, because for the very first time we broke to the downside, we confirmed the breakdown, and we are going lower here. So now, why am I talking about the last hope? Is there always gonna be one last hope? No, this is the last hope. Let's talk about it. If we are going to the 4-hourly candles, sometimes when in doubt, zoom out, but sometimes also you should zoom in, because we are still holding one trend line here. Yes, we broke the trend to the downside, but it is not like a detrimental breakdown so far. Yes, we broke the support, but so far, like, Bitcoin is kind of holding its ground here, right? So that's why I thought we might as well zoom a little bit in and see, and see what is going on here. What is going on? And maybe there is like one last hope. And on the 4-hourly candles, we're actually seeing this kind of bullishly biased falling wedge. And yes, we broke down from this ascending channel, and the price targets are, at least if we are breaking further lower, 35,000 US dollars, if not the previous low at 33,000. And as you know, this is eventually my worst case scenario. I don't think Bitcoin will ever go below 29,000 US dollars. It's a statement I'm making for a long time, but these price targets are not to be looked out for as long as Bitcoin is holding this falling wedge. If Bitcoin holds this falling wedge, and we can even go lower, create a lower low, as long as we are holding this falling wedge, there is one last chance that we are getting this breakout. There is one last chance that Bitcoin is getting back into this upward sloping channel, back to the measured move price target of 42,000 to 43,000 US dollars. To be quite exact, actually 42,300 US dollars. And yes, am I trading this? Definitely not, because even if we are breaking out from this falling wedge, we have this very strong resistance before. It was very strong support before over a few months on the daily, on the weekly. Now it will turn into very strong resistance. This is, however, this last straw we can grab for, this last piece of hope we can be hoping for. If you don't want the prices to be at 33, 34, 35,000 US dollars, even down at the 29,000 US dollar mark, my worst case scenario, this is the pattern we have to hold. The exact price level we have to hold would be, in this specific case, 37,800 US dollars for Bitcoin. By the way, guys, if you're watching this, go also down below and follow my Twitter, actually at MMCrypto with a verification checkmark, where I am going to update you. I'm probably not gonna upload a second video today, but if something is going to happen, I will be here for you. I will be updating you. I am always here for you, and I'm here for you on YouTube, on Instagram, and on Twitter. And on Twitter is the best form to get my thoughts in the immediate short term, in the moment they are coming into my head. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This was just a very, very quick update, but this was definitely one pattern I wanted to talk about. Finally, some like positivity, the first bullish pattern actually we've seen since a very long time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye bye.